In order to start working with Octave, we will first go to command window and we will say pkg load image because we need image package for working with images. So our image package is loaded. We can check it by saying pkg list and our image package is loaded. So now let us start working. Initially we always write start with CLC for clear screen, close all for closing all previous windows, and clear all for clearing workspace. I've just saved this file as today's date, which is August 25th. So you can see workspace is all clear now. So let us first read one image and call it A imread. I have image in the same folder which is flower.png. So I will write in single inverted commas flower.png, and next we will do imshow A and let us run it. As you can see, I forgot to put a semicolon. So now it will actually read the entire image and then only it will stop. So our program has stopped, and if I go to editor, let us run it again. So let us display this image. This is a color image. Now, so here there are some options here. This Z plus is zoom in. This is zoom out. If I zoom in too much, in that case I can use this pan to move around the image. You can see it is not a very big image, so you can see the pixels. You click on auto scale to rescale it. You can make axis visible and invisible by clicking on it. You can insert text in this image. So you can see you can insert text like this. Now axis you can make visible or invisible. Auto scale to bring it back to scale. So let us go back to our image and rerun it. So now that what we wrote flower by inserting text is also gone. So now I want to put a title to this image. So I can put title by using the title command, title, and I will say color image of flower and run it. So now you can see color image of flower is the title of this image. Now because we are working with grayscale images, let us convert this to grayscale image. So I will say B equals RGB to gray of A, and I will say imshow B, and now let us run it. So now I had two commands, one to imshow color image, another one to imshow grayscale image. So I can also give this image a title, grayscale image of, or grayscale image of flower. So when I run it, you will notice that now you have only figure one window, and this grayscale image has replaced our color image. So if we want to have two images, we will have to write figure command, so that will create one more figure window for us. And now when I run it, now you will have figure 1, which is the color image, and figure 2, which is the grayscale image. Now if I want to have these two images side by side, so that can be done with the help of subplot command. So let us use help function for subplot command. So I want to say help subplot. So this is the specification for subplot: how many rows, how many columns, and the index for that particular image. So let me go back to editor. So I just want to create one row and two columns here. So I will put this before in show. I will say subplot. I want one row, two columns, and this image I want to be placed in first position. So 1, and I want image B to be there in second position. Now I don't want this figure because now it will be just in a single image. Now let us run it. Okay. So now you can see we have two images side by side. This is at first position, this is at second.